DevOps architecture. Developments and operations both play essential roles in order to deliver applications. The development comprises analyzing the requirements, designing, developing, and testing of the software components or frameworks. The operations consist of the administrative processes, services, and support for the software. When both the development and operations are combined with collaborating, then the DevOps architecture is the solution to fix the gap between deployment and operation terms. Therefore, delivery can be faster. DevOps architecture is used for the applications hosted in the cloud platform and large distributed applications. Agile development is used in the DevOps architecture so that integration and delivery can be contiguous. When the development and operation teams work separately from each other, then it is time-consuming to design, test, and deploy. And if the terms are not in sync with each other, then it may cause a delay in the delivery. So, DevOps enables the teams to change their shortcomings and increase productivity. Below are various components that are used in the DevOps architecture. Number 1. Build. Without DevOps, the cost of consumption of resources was evaluated based on the predefined individual usage with fixed hardware allocation. And with DevOps, the usage of cloud sharing of resources comes into the picture, and the build is dependent upon the user's need, which is a mechanism to control the usage of resources or capacity. Number 2. Code. Many good practices such as Git enables the code to be used, which ensures writing the code for businesses, helps to track changes, getting notified about the reason behind the difference in the actual and expected output, and if necessary, reverting to the original code developed. The code can be appropriately arranged in files, folders, etc., and they can be reused. Number 3. Test. The application will be ready for production after testing. In the case of manual testing, it consumes more time in testing and moving the codes into the output. The testing can be automated, which decreases the time for testing, so that the time to deploy the code to production can be reduced, as automating the running of scripts will remove many manual steps. Number 4. Plan. DevOps use agile methodology to plan the development, with the operations and development teams in sync. It helps in organizing the work to plan accordingly to increase productivity. Number 5. Monitor. Continuous monitoring is used to identify any risk of failure. Also, it helps in tracking the system accurately so that the health of the application can be checked. The monitoring becomes more comfortable with services where the log data may get monitored through many third-party tools such as Splunk. Number 6. Deploy. Many systems can support the scheduler for automated development. The cloud management platform enables users to capture accurate insight and view the optimization scenario. Analytics on trends by the development of dashboards. Number 7. Operate. DevOps changes the way traditional approach of developing and testing separately. The teams operate in collaborative way where both the teams actively participate throughout the service lifecycle. The operation team interacts with developers and they come up with a monitoring plan which serves the IT and business requirements. Number 8, release. Development to an environment can be done by automation, but when the development is made to the production environment, it is done by manual triggering. Many processes involved in release management commonly used to do the deployment in production environment, manually to lessen the impact on the customers.